welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we have a Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. So this beautiful box came in the mail today while I was at work. This actually is addressed to my husband because I ordered the extra large bag for myself and my husband ordered the regular box. So I get one of each. I wanted to see which's better. Will I get duplicate products? The value, which is the better value? So I ended up getting both. The extra large bag shipped first, and the FedEx tracking label says pending. It was supposed to be delivered today. I have refreshed the FedEx tracking label or the shipment, the tracker, multiple times today, and it now says pending. So this box, which was set to be delivered on Thursday, came today, Tuesday. So we're going to open up the regular box. If you are here and watching this and never seen my channel before, then you are like me and who has watched probably 50 unboxing videos already because I wanted to see what everyone else was getting and what I could possibly get. So I have an idea of the types of products that are in here, but I have not opened it. I do not know what it is, and I'm really excited. So let's get to it. So this is how the box appears when I get it. If you are watching this, you probably already know that the Lucky Bags are a Japanese tradition, and Beautylish does this once a year. So I'm not going to go through all of that because I know you just want to see what's inside, and so do I. Okay, so I'm really excited. All right, here is what I got. And I can see the beautiful Natasha Denona Love Palette right on front, which I don't have, and I was so worried that I was going to get the bronze palette, which I do already have, which I could still get in the extra large bag. All right, so I have a Sonia G brush, and this is the mini booster. If you watch my channel on a regular basis, you know that I use this brush almost every single time I do my eye makeup. I am not disappointed to have a second one of these. I love the Sonia G brushes, and this one in particular is really, really good. I use it right here on my outer corner of my eye almost every single day to add just a little bit more depth. And what I really like about this brush is it's so little, it can get really precise placement of the shadow. So this is an amazing brush, and I'm very happy to have it. To have another one, rather. All right, I received an ABH Metallic Liquid Lipstick set. It has 3 shades, Blizzard, Phantom, and Mai Tai. These are metallic liquid lipsticks. I have never used any of her lipsticks, so this is pretty cool. That will be very fun to play with. And I don't know the value of any of this right now. As I'm editing, I will put a little thing somewhere up here with the retail price of these, and then at the end of the video, I will leave another little comment to see if I got my money's worth. All right, so this is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. And as you guys know, as I'm sure you know, Good Molecules is the Beautylish brand, and it is a very affordable brand, but I hear really, really good things about it. So this is the serum. This is actually pretty good size. This is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce, and it comes with the applicator. So I am really excited to try this. I definitely have hyperpigmentation, and this says it is it's to target hyperpigmentation and promote an even skin tone. All things I need and want. So I'm excited to have that. This is a Denona Myricks Twin Flames, what is it? Multi-chrome pigment for eyes and face. This is in shade Soulmate. And if you kind of look there, it's like a green. I have watched videos on this brand before. I've never tried this brand, but I've seen a lot of people who have. And these shadows are very outside my comfort zone, so to speak. So we'll see how adventurous I am. But there is the color. And this is a beautiful packaging. That's really, really pretty. Okay. This is the Holy Frog Como Pop E-Renewal Scrubby Wash. Smooth and plump. Scrubs smarter, not harder. So, and it comes in just a little tube like this. It does have a foil seal over it. So this I'm excited to try. So we got a lot of skincare, 2 things. And last but not least is the Natasha Denona Love Palette. You guys, I'm really, really excited. I love Natasha Denona, her eyeshadows. I've got 2 of her quads already. I've got the bronze, which I already mentioned, and the glam palette. And the glam palette is my all-time favorite large palette. So I'm very excited to try this. Except I can't open it to show you. All right, so here is the packaging. It's a beautiful pink package. And then you open it up and there it is. So this I'm really excited for. Looks like there's a couple shades in here that might be like multi-chrome. This Giving. Yeah. So there's Giving. And then Pure Love also. You can kind of see the shift in those. So this is definitely a palette that I will be playing with. So I'm really, really excited. Overall, I am really impressed. The only item in the box that I already have is this Sonia G Mini Booster. And I would gladly take more of these. Like, these are phenomenal brushes. I love them. They are my favorite eye brushes. And the Mini Booster in particular is a brush that I love and need multiples of. So I could not be happier with this box. So I'm really, really excited. I'm excited also to now look up the value of everything and see what it is worth. But overall, I have to say, Beautylish, I am very happy with this box. So if you guys are new to my channel, I encourage you to subscribe. I would love to hear from you guys what you got in your Beautylish Lucky Bags. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.